The first thing we'd like to discuss is whether prostatitis is the true cause of rapid ejaculation. Most people have heard the term prostatitis, and impotence and premature ejaculation have almost become synonymous with prostatitis. For those unaware of the truth, becoming impotent and prematurely ejaculating is frequently the first time you consider whether or not you have a prostate problem. Today, we'll look at male prostatitis through the angle of PE. The first thing to understand is that having prostatitis does not always mean having PE. Prostatitis in men may cause PE due to abnormal discharge of cells caused by inflammation, which will be misinterpreted by the brain center as a signal of sexual stimulation during sexual intercourse and resulting in PE. However, this is only a secondary factor. The cause of PE in most people is due to the wrong psychology and behavior. Even after prostatitis is cured, impotence and PE may not be cured. The first thing you should know is understanding what to do if you have PE and prostatitis. I frequently hear from friends that they spend a lot of money on prostatitis treatment, but the problem of PE persists. If you have a problem with PE and physical symptoms of prostatitis, you should follow the key points here. The first point is to determine if you truly have prostatitis, which requires a trip to the hospital for a prostate fluid examination. You should not rely on known blind guesses based on the feelings, as this will only add to your psychological burden and will not help the condition. The second point is that if confirmed to have prostatitis, you must treat it first. After all, the physical disease must be treated first. This is a piece of advice to share. You can go to different hospitals simultaneously to double-check, make a comprehensive results, and listen the advices from doctors. This may be more reliable. The third point: fully cooperation of treatment if diagnosed with prostatitis. Understand the basic principles of prostatitis treatment to be able to completely cure it. The principle of treatment is to eradicate prostatitis by reducing the burden on the prostate gland, improving the body immunity of the whole body, and at the same time improving the local blood circulation of prostatitis and making your body more resistant to disease. The standard of cure for prostatitis is that we don't have any symptoms of prostatitis on our body, go to the hospital to check the prostate fluid are also normal. Generally it takes 3 to 6 months to completely cure prostatitis. When your prostatitis symptoms are gone, it is recommended to continue to follow the treatment to additional 2 to 3 months, so you can be more safe and secure. The fourth point is that once prostatitis is cured but the problem of PE persists, you can correct the bad habit by using the PE training system I shared. I'll show you how to quickly determine whether the PE is caused by prostatitis. If you have had PE from the start of your sexual intercourse experience, then your prostatitis has nothing to do with PE. If you previously had normal sexual intercourse, PE has only recently occurred, and it has been confirmed that the body is indeed suffering from prostatitis, then prostatitis must be cured. Please keep in mind that if you discover that your body is suffering from prostatitis, you must first treat prostatitis before starting the PE treatment training. Because prostatitis is a disease and PE is just a habit, we must treat the disease first. Because many people have prostatitis, the majority of them are caused by a lack of physical fitness, decreased resistance, overwork or excessive sexual activity, or long-term abstinence, which causes the prostate to become congested for an extended period of time, resulting in a decline in the prostate's ability to resist diseases. As a result, in the early stages of our treatment, the first step must be to cure the physical disease and improve physical fitness before we can begin to overcome PE and learn how to control ejaculation. So, we'll share it here today. Thank you for your attention and support. And we'll see you in the next class.